Indian Premier League 2026 match number 53 Chennai Super Kings versus Lucknow Super Giants match played at Ma Sidambaram Stadium, Chennai. Chennai Super Kings won the toss, elected to field first. Lucknow Super Giants 20 overs 203 runs lost by 8 wickets. Josh English is the highest scorer, 85 runs, 33 balls. Then Chennai Super Kings best bowling spell, Jamie Overton, 4 overs, no maiden, 36 runs, 3 wickets taken. Chennai Super Kings 19.2 overs, 208 runs lost by 5 wickets. Urbil Patel is the highest scorer, 65 runs, 23 balls. Then Lucknow Super Giants best bowling spell, Shahbaz Ahmed, 3 overs, no maiden, 30 runs, 2 wickets taken. Chennai Super Kings won by 5 wickets in this match. Player of the match, Jamie Overton. Congratulations, Chennai Super Kings.